Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about Marshmallow Blush from the House of Paris Corner. Let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. This is one of the best packaging that I've seen from Paris Corner. This perfume comes in an envelope form and like it looks like a candy land literally, with all these pink and blue and pastel details going on. Marshmallow Blush written right here, and this is like a nice seal that they have given, and once you open, this is where the perfume is sitting inside. You just have to slide open and then this perfume is here. Love the way the details are here. It has like all these marshmallows and hints of pastels. I love the packaging on this one, and also the bottle looks quite cute. This is how the bottle looks like. It has this marble effect going on of pink and white. Also the cap is rounded and has the same effect with golden dripping effect here. Marshmallow Blush written right here with a very pretty and a very dainty, very girly feminine font. I love the details that are given on this bottle. However, the bottle looks a little bulky, but the look and feel of the bottle is very girly, feminine, and screams the theme that this perfume is all about. This one became ultra famous and viral fragrance for all the good reasons. This one is said to be a close dupe of Kayali's Yum Bougie marshmallow fragrance. Honestly, I am a sucker for marshmallow fragrances, and the moment I heard that this one is the best dupe around in the town for Kayali's Yum Bougie marshmallow, I had to pick this up. I picked it up from pariscornerindia.com, and I have a non-affiliated discount coupon code if you want to avail and get some discounts. The minimum purchase order is 1500 or so, and it's a good way to kind of get some, you will get like all the latest launches and everything available for Paris Corner on their website. I've done plenty orders on Paris Corner, Ishal Vanilla, everything I purchased from there. Even the complete Zodiac signature scents, 4 scents, all of them I have purchased from Paris Corner India, and had featured this one also in that haul. So it's kind of like a tried and tested website, and that's why I kind of like recommend it. Also, the discount coupon code really helps you guys. I don't earn a penny out of it. It's non-affiliated, so feel free to use it or not. Let's talk about the scent profile on this one. Before I do so, I just want to show you the sprayer. The sprayer is nice, like diffuses the product really well, and in good quantity, like around 5 to 6 sprays is what I usually go for with this fragrance. The scent profile on this one is your very sweet, fruity, musky and powdery kind of a fragrance category. This breakdown is it opens up with very sweet opening of raspberry and strawberry meeting some lemon zest, to the sweetness of ambroxan and some floral hints of orange blossom, and then it has musk and marshmallow. Overall, a very simple scent profile as compared to the Yum Bougie marshmallow that is like very complicated. इसका scent profile थोड़ा simple है, but simple के साथ साथ बहुत ही feminine, बहुत ही cutesy and बहुत ही प्यारी feminine fragrance है ये. This does give me like a strawberry raspberry milkshake or a strawberry raspberry. I like literally you are eating strawberries and raspberries, dipping it in melted marshmallow, and which has like powdered sugar on top, and you are like taking a bite of it. It's that juicy, it's that creamy. It has this whipped cream effect going on to this perfume, which just makes it so airy, fluffy, and also like sweet at the same time. This is not something which is very thick and syrupy in nature, something that will give you a massive headache because of the sweetness. No, it is sweet, but it is also very airy, fluffy, and has a very nice cloud-like quality to it. To me, like the first impression that I got when I sprayed this one is it feels like pink cloud, like a fluffy pink cloud, or something like how that pink candy floss looks like, that kind of like cloudy pink sugar intense situation going on. This literally gave me that first impression, and later on it started giving me that strawberry raspberry kind of like ice cream situation. This is something which is a perfect summer gourmand, and it is something that you can wear during daytime all seasons, and this is the kind of fragrance that has a soft romantic energy also to it. I find it appropriate to be worn in office as well as casual events, also on some special occasions like birthdays, maybe anniversaries, or maybe like a lunch or brunch date situation. I think this is something that you can enjoy wearing with your partner, because that will just make you smell very addictive, very sweet, innocent. So kind of it has a different energy to it, like it has a very innocent energy to it, which is very attractive according to me. This smells like an innocent girl in my opinion. So somebody who has not seen the tough life, somebody who has not seen trauma, and somebody who is like very guarded by her parents or guarded by her partner, this is that kind of a scent. This has a good performance, longevity of around 6 to 7 hours. This is something that kind of is not very projective in nature. It creates a good scent bubble around me, but it's not something which is like a massive projector. It does not leave a very strong scent trail. This is something which is very soft, and kind of after a 5 or 6 hour mark, this kind of becomes close to skin scent. Recently did my top 10 marshmallow fragrances, and this was at number 1 for all the good reasons. This is sweet, powdery, feminine, delicate, innocent, everything that I need in my marshmallow perfume. This one has it. And the best part is it does not smell synthetic. Even from the first spritz to the last, it does not smell synthetic at all, and that's the part that I love the most. I did not leave it much for maceration, and still it kind of is performing really well, so that's a good thing and a relief as well. Overall, this perfume gets a whooping 10 out of 10. I love the packaging, I love how girly it is, and I love that this is something which is very giftable. It's a very sort of like a safe blind buy is what I can say, because it's a very, very simple, fruity, sweet fragrance. So that was my overall review for Marshmallow Blush from Paris Corner. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.